Your car's interior takes a beating every day. Spills, dust, UV rays, and fingerprints never take a break. And while most people vacuum and call it clean, dashboards, leather seats, and trim pieces are still fading and aging over time. That's where the right interior detailer spray makes all the difference. We tested and ranked the best options that actually deliver. No greasy residue, no empty promises, just a clean, showroom-fresh finish every time.
You'll find all the links in the description box. Let's get into it.
Number 1 is the Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, a versatile all-in-one solution designed to clean and protect major interior surfaces such as leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and glass in a single application. Compatible with cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs, it leaves a streak-free finish while actively guarding against dust buildup and UV deterioration over time. The spray and wipe process keeps things simple and efficient. Keep in mind that achieving the best results does require proper buffing technique. From dashboards to door panels, this Chemical Guy's formula offers broad coverage and dependable protection, making it a smart pick for thorough interior maintenance. Number 2 is the Meguiar's G16216 Ultimate Interior Detailer, designed to go beyond basic cleaning by providing long-lasting protection for major interior surfaces. Steering wheels, dashboards, door panels, stereo equipment, and even sensitive navigation screens are all covered in one convenient spray. A satin-sealed finish bonds to surfaces and holds up for weeks, reducing how often reapplication is needed. Built-in UV protection actively prevents fading and material deterioration caused by prolonged sun exposure, extending the overall lifespan of your interior. The finish does lean slightly glossy, which may not suit those preferring a matte look. For owners wanting durable, weeks-long protection with genuine UV defense, Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer is a consistently dependable performer. Number 3 is the Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer Cleaner, a fast-acting spray designed to refresh and maintain your vehicle's interior surfaces. It effectively cleans plastics, leather, rubber, and metal surfaces, while also being safe for use on LCD screens and navigation displays, a versatile edge many competitors lack. Dirt, dust, grime, and everyday spills are handled in a single application, saving valuable time during detailing sessions. Meguiar's decades-long reputation in the automotive care industry adds a layer of trust that newer brands simply cannot match. The one trade-off is that proper wiping is necessary to achieve optimal results. For professionals and dedicated enthusiasts who prioritize proven performance and brand reliability, Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer consistently delivers. Number 4 is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Interior Cleaner and Protectant, also known as Inside Job, which brings advanced ceramic and graphene technology into everyday interior care. This all-in-one formula tackles leather, vinyl, plastic, and rubber surfaces, while natural enzymes work to lift and eliminate stubborn stains effectively. Beyond cleaning, it encapsulates odors rather than masking them, leaving a noticeably fresh scent throughout the cabin. The ceramic and graphene infusion enhances surface clarity and significantly reduces dust attraction over time. Heavily soiled interiors may require more than one pass for full results. Still, for budget-friendly buyers seeking modern ceramic-level protection without complicated multi-step routines, Turtle Wax Inside Job delivers impressive practical value. Number 5 is the Eagle One Interior Detailer, a one-step aerosol solution designed to restore a factory-fresh shine to dashboards and interior trim instantly, without the need for buffing. Its fine mist application reaches effortlessly into air vents, tight corners, and hard-to-access crevices that traditional sprays often miss. Surfaces dry quickly to a clean, high-gloss finish without leaving behind any sticky residue or long-term buildup. The formula keeps interiors looking consistently sharp between full detail sessions. The main consideration is mastering proper aerosol technique to minimize overspray and product waste. For drivers who prioritize speed, convenience, and a polished result without the extra effort, Eagle One Car Interior Detailer is an outstanding option. Number 6 is the Compensai Car Interior Detailer Spray, a budget-friendly 2-pack solution designed to clean and polish rubber, plastic, and leather interior surfaces effectively. Its dual functionality means you get both surface cleaning and protective polishing without purchasing separate products. Adding further value, it doubles as a tire cleaner, making it genuinely versatile beyond interior use alone. Having 2 bottles included makes it practical for households with multiple vehicles or frequent detailing needs. The brand lacks the established track record of larger competitors, resulting in fewer consumer reviews. For cost-conscious buyers wanting multi-surface capability and double the supply, Compensai delivers solid everyday value. And that's a wrap on the best car interior detailer sprays. Your cabin deserves better than dust and faded plastic, and now you know exactly what to pick. Whether you go premium or budget-friendly, any of these sprays can leave your interior looking showroom fresh. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You'll find all the product links in the description box. See you in the next one.